All right, now we're on to a fun little project. You might have seen this white board in your kit and thought, what is that? Well, if you unwrap it, because it's all wrapped up, and you take the top off, it is a blank puzzle, all right? So you have some options, guys. You can just freehand your own design whenever you want. You could just color it however you want crazy and then break it apart and you've got your own personalized puzzle. Or I am going to have included some different little designs that you can use. And we are gonna use that handy dandy little transfer paper again, shiny side down, right? I'm gonna make sure all your puzzle pieces are together and nothing's sticking up. And this one I'm gonna do this way, and I'm gonna turn it. And we are just gonna trace it just like you've seen me do before. All right, so I've traced around everything and voila! Can you see that design in there? Yes, you can. So from there, what you can do is you can use crayons or markers to color in your design and make your own puzzle. You can do the whole outside around it a different color. Just have fun with it because you want to be able to take it apart and put it together. So you want to have a lot of design on there. I would not recommend using your paints for this because when they dry, your puzzle pieces might stick together. So I know you all have markers at home or crayons at home, so you can do whatever design you want. You can use the ones that we supplied for you to transfer on. Once you get your design all drawn out on your board, you can then color it in with any sort of medium you want. Markers, chalks, crayons, watercolors would work. I just wouldn't use a heavy paint like we have here because it'll stick your pieces together. All right, guys, and then there you go. You've got a little puzzle to put together with friends. So now you got a puzzle for your friend to play with your friends or your parents for the summertime. You've got a tic-tac-toe game to play. Should keep you busy for a while. All right, guys. So have fun with that and show us your pictures of what you did and your designs. We'd love to see them.